All right, this problem that we have is a problem on solid. It reads, if 1 plus root 2 divided by 1 minus root 2 is expressed in the form of x plus y root 2, find the values of x and y. So our solution to this problem, we can see that it just has to do with what? Application of what? The principle of rationalization in Surds. And how do you rationalize? The first thing you want to do is you want to get the conjugate of the denominator. So the conjugate of 1 minus root 2 is what? We'll write this but with a plus. So I have 1 plus what? Root 2. So that's the first step. So we are going to what? Rationalize the sort above. So to rationalize the sort above, that's this, all I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this conjugate here, 1 plus root 2, and also here to multiply the given equation. All right, so remember this means 1, so this times 1 is still this. That's why we're using this to multiply both the numerator and denominator. Now let's simplify further. To simplify further, 1 will times this and this. So 1 times 1 there is 1. 1 times root 2 is still root 2. And root 2 times this and this. So we have plus root times 1 is root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is still root 4, which is 2. Divided by 1 will times this and this. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times plus root 2 is plus what? Root 2. Now, minus root 2 times 1 will be minus root 2. And minus root 2 times what? Plus root 2 will give us minus. Root 4 also means 2. Now, next step is we are going to what? Collect like terms. Collect like terms. Most times when you rationalize sorts, you have to collect like terms. So I'm saying 1 plus what? 1 plus what? 2. So 1 plus 2 plus root 2 plus root 2. Okay. And here, this will give us what? 0. So we are left with 1 minus what? 2. So from what we have left, okay, we can further simplify. We see that 1 plus 2 here will give us what? 3. Okay, plus root 2 also means 2 root 2. Because we have 1 here as a coefficient and 1 here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll keep the root 2. So 1 minus 2 is still what? Minus 1. Okay. Now the minus can come up as this. Okay. The minus can go up. So our final answer can be this, or we simply open the bracket. So I have minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So this is our final answer to this problem. Now from the question, we are being asked to find what? X and what? Y. So remember the question gives us what? We have x plus what? Y root what? 2. So if we compare, all right, just to make it more clear, let's do the comparison. So comparing to get our x and y, so that x here stands for what? Minus 3. And y here stands for what? Y stands for what? Minus 2. So our x and y values are what? Minus 3, minus 2. So this is what x and y stands for, minus 3, minus 2. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the subscribe button, share.